लंबी से सेकेंड दरवाजा क्लियर तो भयो सेकेंड दरवाजा क्लियर तो मैं दिखाओ
Kuan ba security pass ne sinna che ke aska onari arba kindu wang master lady basini aduga khungri singi market ki su nung amadi nawi si yetana nung thare
We have to start from the root cause, no? Everything happened because from the beginning. So we have to understand.
I am not concerned about anything before or after.
But the government is not working according to the law.
I am here today.
We also know.
Today 15th, I am here to only protect the hospital. My only concern is the hospital. If you disturb the hospital,
so
there will be violence.
Take out the terrorists here from the hospital. We are not safe with the terrorists.
Whatever you want to
so
convey,
this is our demand. So we will go. We will go. We will speak to them.
It is very clear. It is very clear.
Quiet for a second, brother. I'm just saying.
No, let me speak first.
Just one second. Wait, listen,
You are
brother.
concerned about the convince our people, and you are saying that there are several other elements. Okay, I accept. There are Meiteis, there are Nepalis, there are Meitei Pangals, not only the Nagas. So this movement doesn't belong only to the Nagas now. So you cannot put an accusation on them.
I am not concerned about your movement. I am a security person for
I
security.
understand. You are here for the
whatever
security
you want to
hospital.
represent, brother.
That
Listen,
doesn't mean that you can
whatever
hurt the
you
people.
want to represent, he's not listening. So you listen, madam. Whatever you want to represent, your representatives are going to meet the CM or to the administration. Please go.
So
this is not the point. No decision can be arrived here.
Right.
Only
we
thing,
will go to the chief
I will not
minister.
allow any violence to take place here.
We will go to the chief minister
we
and
will
speak
go
to the
there,
chief minister.
but
Until then, there shouldn't be any kind of firing.
You should control the
There shouldn't
gun.
be any kinds of
Please
firing.
stop using
until
your
then.
guns. We will control the mob.
You cannot control
The
this
moment
We will do that.
Look behind, brother. Look behind. Your power is out here. Madam, your